YouTube, how's it going? It's your boy Ivy back with another video on the channel. The XM4 is taking over the COD Pro scene, and I had to jump into some pubs with it to see what the hype was all about. If you want to know where I stream 3 days a week over on Twitch. You can find the link down in the description. Head over there and leave a follow so you never miss when I go live. Here's the class setup we were rocking for the XM4. We had the Microflex LED. I switched to this about halfway through the game. It just didn't feel as consistent without it. We got the SOCOM Eliminator, 13.7 extended, steady aim laser, field agent grip, 40 round speed mag, airborne elastic, and Raider pad are staples for the ARs. If you're not running those, you probably should. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Commenting is free, as well as subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Roll the footage. Later. Let's just try it. YouTube, how's it going? Got an XM4 video for you. Oh, this gun is... There's a reason why it's being GA'd. Or trying to get it GA'd. It's There's a brutal. I think I'm on it. That was a huge streak. Sorry I wasn't talking. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go. There's the XM4 nuke. I was just trying to keep this. What do you think that was? Comment in the chat what you think that streak was. That kid's purple bandit. I choked. Not lose. Woo, we almost lost. Let's go. We got the nuke. Woo. Okay. Awesome. We got the nuke.